Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a simple cocktail. Start by chilling your glass, then measure 2 ounces spirit, 1 ounce sweetener, and 0.5 ounce citrus. Fill a shaker with ice, add ingredients, and shake vigorously for 10 seconds. Strain into the chilled glass over fresh ice or neat, garnish with a citrus twist, and taste. Adjust sweetness or acidity to balance the drink. Serve immediately with a smile. Let's walk through muddling, stirring, and shaking so you get the right texture and dilution. Muddle delicate herbs gently to release aroma without bitterness. Stir spirit-forward drinks with plenty of ice until chilled but not overly diluted, usually about 30 seconds. Shake cocktails with citrus or sugary mixers to properly emulsify and chill, aiming for strong, brisk shakes. Taste and tweak balance before serving to impress your guests. Enjoy the process. Presentation elevates a simple drink into an experience, so small choices matter. Choose garnishes that complement the flavor, like citrus twist for brightness or herbs for aroma. Use proper glassware and avoid overfilling to preserve aroma and temperature. Wipe the rim clean and place garnish thoughtfully so it won't interfere with sipping. Finally, consider a pairing snack to highlight the cocktail and complete the moment for your guests, and enjoy responsibly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.